Welcome back to the BetU YouTube channel. How's everyone doing? Today we are going to be going through and showing you how to use Beefy Finance to stake BetU. Now the staking feature has been awaited for a while and is finally going to be out to the public. And here we are guys, it's going to be in Beefy Finance. Now Beefy Finance's link will be in the description down below. The first link in the description will take you to this website. Once you get to the site, you'll be able to stake and I'll be showing you exactly how to do it. But before we do get in, I want to remind you that if you want to stay updated with BetU, BetU Fantasy and everything BetU, subscribe and hit the bell so you can actually stay updated. With that being said guys, let's dive straight in. Right then, so when you start, you will actually come across this where your wallet is not actually connected. So what I'm going to do is actually connect my wallet. You simply connect wallet and click what wallet you're actually using. Me, myself, I do use MetaMask, but you may use any other wallet you're actually using that they have down below. Once you're connected, you can actually just find BetU. And we got BetU. There we are. Right then, so I got 44 BetU tokens, and you might be wondering how do you get those? Well, I actually got those by playing BetU Fantasy. It was the easiest thing I've ever done, I've got to say. It was the simplest bets I've done, and I managed to come out with about $8. And yeah, if you want to play this weekend's Premier League BetU Fantasy, the link will be down below too for you guys to possibly check out and have some fun. It's really competitive and there's a lot of prizes up for grabs. In fact, it's $10,000 a week. With that being said, I do want to stake my $8.44 BetU tokens in BetU. So what I'm going to do here is simply click on BetU here. Now as you can see here, you can see how much you want to deposit. Now at the moment you might be a bit confused. Why does it say 0.00 APY? And that is because it is going to be 25% APY, but BetU just recently got listed here, so it's still being worked on. Now from here you just need to choose how many BetU tokens from your wallet you want to stake. Now for me, I would want to do all of them because I'd rather just keep all my winnings from Fantasy staked in Beefy Finance. After this is done, I'll simply click approve, go down here and simply click confirm. Now, as you guys should see here, the deposit fee is 0%, the withdrawal fee is also 0%. So now you may be wondering to yourself, how does that work out? Well, it's 0% fees. The only fee you are paying is a really small gas fee in MetaMask. That is it. And as it gets approved, there we are, it's approved now, and we can actually deposit more if you want to. So you click deposit here, we can actually deposit more. Right then, now that it is in Beefy Finance, you can just choose how much you want to deposit. And if you want to deposit a certain amount, so let's say I want to deposit 10 BetU tokens, which isn't much at all, I can just click deposit right here and click confirm. As you can see, we do have about 9.99 BetU tokens in, and now let's say if I want to deposit all at once, you can just click deposit all right here and you should be good to go. So now we got all of my BetU tokens deposited and being staked right here. Right then, now I got all my tokens actually deposited in Beefy Finance. If you ever feel like withdrawing, you can simply come here, choose how much you want to withdraw, same thing how you deposited, and you can actually end up withdrawing it back to your MetaMask. Now then guys, that brings us to the end of the video. If you guys have found that helpful in any way, make sure to leave a like. If you still have any questions regarding this, please feel free to leave a comment down below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want a faster reply, you can always email her at the email on the screen right now. Other than that guys, it's been your boy down at BetU. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.